Hi guys, it's me again, Christoph Andrew, and we have another series to complete, which is the Molly Artline Anniversary Statues Classical Retro Series. And if you watch my previous vlog, I have unboxed a couple of figures already, and I'm going to do a secret hunting with this series because I found this series very artistically done. I like how they finished this one. It looks like a hand painted one. That's why I'm so excited to complete the series and to do a secret hunting. So what are we waiting for? Let's do the unboxing now! So before we begin with the unboxing, let me show you the 4 figures that I unboxed already in my previous vlog. You can visit them and check them out. So I have these 4 figures already of Molly for the series of a Artline Anniversary Statues Classical Retro. So then again, I'm going to give you a recap. I already got the Molly M's Salute to the Childhood Classic, the Molly D Salute to the Childhood Classic again. These two is like a pair. So I have the my another half. I'm still looking for Molly V Salute in the Great Artist. I have the It's a Beautiful Day original version. I actually have duplicate with this one and duplicate with this one. I'm looking for It's a Beautiful Day special version. I'm looking for Tong Yu Fei Tan golden version and the silver version. And if we are lucky enough to get either of these secrets, and they have 3 secrets like secret A, B, and C. And if I'm not mistaken, there is also a wooden version of this one. I'm not sure. So let's see. So this is the box of the Molly Artline Anniversary Statues Classical Retro Pop Mart or collaboration with Kenny's work. I really like the artwork as it is like very minimalist. And on the other side, you can see the complete lineup or confirmed figures, the details, and everything. So I'm going to unbox this one at the bottom part again because if ever we're going to get these 4 duplicates, I'm not going to uh, tear the foil, and I'll just go to show you the art card and show you the figures, and the duplicate will be sell on my online shop. So let's see. Let's see our first figure. I'm so excited because when I got the full set, it's so heavy, surprisingly. I didn't expect that one. Because if you're going to notice the figures, they are look like a sculptured wooden sculptured, and it's like hand painted. It's so nice. So let me show you first the foil. Oops, no picking. So this is the foil. They use the very nice artwork for Molly. So let me show you the art card. Our first figure. One, two, three. Oops! And we got this already. The Molly D. Salute to the Childhood Classic. Our first duplicate. Let's keep this one. So sad. Let's keep this one. We have the duplicate. Let me show you. Let me remove this one here. So this is our first duplicate. The Molly D. Salute to the childhood. There is a rubber ducky here. I like the boots of Molly. Look how beautiful this one, how detailed the figure. It's like hand painted. Even the apple box that where she's standing, it's so cute. You can see the face of Molly, the blush on her cheeks, the eyes. It's so painted. Very nice. What can you say about this first figure, guys? You can comment down below. It's not a good start. We got the first duplicate, and it looks like we're looking for how many figures? One, two, three, four, five, 6 figures and 3 secrets. So definitely, um, we're not lucky enough to get 3 secrets or possible to get one. So let's see. This one is dented box, but it's okay. So let's see our second figure. Ahaha. I'm just so excited to complete the series because I like the details of these figures, and I know and I believe this will become very rare soon, sooner or later. Okay, so this is the foil, and let me show you the art card. One, two, three. Oops! Oh, we got the Tungye Fei Chan silver version. Am I right? Tong Yu Fei Chan? I'm not sure. If anyone know how to pronounce this one, Tong Yu Fei Chan silver version. So let me unbox this one now. So excited to see this one in an actual figure. So one, two, three. Okay. So every Molly with this series, they have this hard plastic protector. Now I know how beautiful this one, because before I didn't appreciate this in the artwork or in the picture only. Now when I saw or I see this one in an actual figure, look how details the figure. There is like a silver wings here. Look how beautiful the details. It's like a wooden sculpture. She's standing on this apple box with such details of silver and black. I like the sage green of what she's wearing. Maybe this is 15th anniversary, the crown of Molly, the K letter of Kenny's work. Look how beautiful the scratches. It's like an old figurine. Look how details. The suit, very nice one. She looks like she's flying because of her wings. And there's one, I'm not sure if this is black pigeons or maybe a hawk, black hawk. I like the what you call this one on the neck. Forgot. Like an handkerchief and not a tie on the neck. It's a silver one as well. On the helmet of Molly, there's a 15 logo here, silver. The horn has this silver detail lining. It's like a metal one, but it's not. Look how beautiful this one. This is what I'm talking about. How beautiful the details. It's very vintage one. I actually like this. But what can you say about this figure, guys? You can comment down below. Let's proceed now with our third box. This vlog will be shorter than my other vlogs because, yeah, we only have 10 pieces to unbox. So our third figure, I just hope and I'm lucky enough to get a secret. So one, two, three. Oh, the golden one. Nice. They're unboxed together or like subsequently. I don't know that word. By the way, guys, there's one comment here that why I'm not speaking in Tagalog because I'm a Filipino. Then again, as I've said, I want to reach an international audience, and most of my audience are from around the world, and I like them to understand me, even though, I'm not good in English. It's not my mother tongue, but at least I'm trying to convey or to converse to anyone outside the Philippines. And let's see. Let's proceed now. The golden version of Tong New Fei Tiang. Wow. Nice one. It's just a gold details. That's the difference only. Look, the difference of these two. This is one is gold. They look good together. That's the only difference of the figures. The silver and gold details. It's like they are standing on these golden flowers and silver flowers. I just want to show you the difference. And this is really so cool. So what can you say about the gold version of the Tong Yu Fei Tian? Please comment down below. Let's proceed now with the fourth box. I'm so excited to see all the figures. Now we are starting to complete one by one all the figures from this lineup. So we're still looking for this two version. The version of Molly Salute, Molly 5 Salute to the great artist. The special version of It's a Beautiful Day. and the secret. And we will definitely get duplicates. I'm expecting that one. So our fourth figure, one, two, three. Yes! We got the You Are Not Alone Rebirth 2006 special version. Look how beautiful the art card. It's like a painting that you can hang on your wall. Buy some, frame to put this one. It's so nice. And let me unveil to you the version, the special version of this figure. One, two, three. Wow. Wow. I was speechless actually because I'm looking all the details. And look how beautiful this one. She looks like she's sitting in this box crate with these details of the bolts and nuts. Number 1, K, Molly 2006. She looks like uh, she's sitting in the rain and trying to catch these raindrops. It's translucent material. It's transparent actually. It seems like she's painting. She's doing a painting. I like the red beret and the Shiba Inu. I'm not sure. Trying to catch a raindrops as well. It's a gray one. Look how beautiful the details, guys. It looks like a wooden sculpture, but it's a PVC material. How beautiful this one. This is so good. I'm not regretting getting this and completing the series. So what can you say about the You Are Not Alone Rebirth 2006 special version? You can comment down below. So guys, our fifth box. I'm hoping to get a secret, even just one from these three, because I really want one. So let's see. I wanna keep the box in a good condition because I'm gonna sell the duplicates on my in my online shop. So you can check this out. Oops, this one's very small. Our fifth figure. One, two, three. Oh, I have this one already. It's a beautiful day, original version. Put it back in the box and let me remove and show you this figure. I actually like this one because look how beautiful this one. The details, like a ship. How beautiful the hand painting finishing of the figure. It's like she's covering the forest. This is so nice. Now we're gonna look for the special version of this figure. So tell me your thoughts about this figure, guys. Let's proceed now with the six box. With our six box now. And we're still looking for how many? We're still looking for the original version of that You Are Not Alone. The Molly V Salute to the Great Artist. The special version of It's a Beautiful Day. And The Secret. And definitely, we will get this one, the Molly M Salute to the Childhood Classic. Definitely a duplicate. Okay, the art card. One, two, three. Wow! Yes, yes, yes! We got the secret! We got the secret! Mark Molly Blackstone! Yay, 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 yay! I told you guys, I'm lucky to get the secret. Wow! I'm gonna open this one. Wow, wow, wow! I'm so happy! It's a secret! Another secret, guys! Wow! Wow! It's just wow! Look how beautiful, guys! It's like a marble finish with some bronze details. It's a gray marble. Oh no! I'm so lucky! We got a secret McMolly Blackstone. Look! Look how beautiful! What the heck? I'm so happy! Now I'm so happy! I have nothing to say but just so happy to get this one. What is your thought about this, guys? Please comment down below. Bye! I'm so happy we got the secret. One of the secret here, which has a probability of 1 over 120. And we still have 4 boxes left. And we're still looking for Molly M, the Molly V, Salute to the Great Artist, the special version of this one. So 3. But we still have 4. Oh no. Are we able to get more secrets? Whoa. But 2, 4. Oh my god. Are we able to get more secrets, guys? I'm not sure. So let's see. Our 2467 figure, snack, the foil, and the art. Oops, the art card. Where is it? Where is it? 1, 2, 3. Oh, we got the special version. So let's see. I'm gonna unbox this one because, again, I want to complete this series. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's why it's a special version, guys. It has a gold details on the horn. Even the dress of Molly here, it's like gold-plated one. There's some gold-plated details here. A very nice one. I actually like the special version more. It has a black fur of the sheep. Yeah, I actually like this one better. What can you say about this one, guys? Which one do you like? The original version or the special version? Please comment down below. Guys, we have 3 boxes left. And we're missing the Molly M, the original version, the Molly Salute. So maybe these 3 we are looking to, but I don't know why we still have 3 because I already unboxed the secret. Hmm. Yeah, maybe. So there will be a missing figure here. I'm not sure. 2467. Yeah. 10. Oh. So let's see. I don't know. Maybe in each, I'm not sure, huh? So maybe in each set you might really get a secret. Is it? I'm not sure. So let's see. 2, 2, 4, 6, 7. R8 figure. Oops. And I destroyed the box. So 1. Where's the art card? 1, 2, 3. Oh, we have this one already. Okay, let me put this one here. And let me get her out. So we have the Molly Salute to the Childhood Classic. Actually, this is one of my favorites because she has the crown. She has this crown. I really like Molly with the crown. So definitely we have 2 crowns now. So okay, let me arrange these 2 because they are pair. This one. So what can you say about this one, guys? You will definitely love this one as well. Look how beautiful the color combination. And they are partners together. So, yeah, just comment down below your thoughts and give me any suggestions if I'm going to dash the other one because I like the one with the crown. Well, yeah, I'm happy with this figure. Please comment down below. So let's proceed now with our 8 box. So we have this complete pair, these two as well. And we're looking for the original version of the You Are Not Alone Rebirth. So we have 2. Are we able to get another secret? I'm not sure. Because we should be missing one, right? And we have 1, 2, 3, 4. And we will definitely, okay, we will definitely have a duplicate for my another half. And this one. So let's see. Let's see. Oops. Our 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 figure. I keep on, counting. So 1, 2, 3. Oh, we got the another version of Molly V Salute to the Great Artist. So let's see. I'm going to unbox this one. And this is the blue one. Wow. This is actually good. It's like Van Gogh, right? The Starry Starry Night. Am I right? Look, I guess this is the painting of Van Gogh incorporated here, the Starry Starry Night. I hope I'm right. The blue cat, the details of the figures, it's like a wooden sculpture. Very nice one. Wow. I really like this art. What can you say about this figure, guys? Please comment down below. So, guys, let's go down with our last box. And, I just hope to get the You Are Not Alone Rebirth original version instead of this duplicate because I have this one already. So, I hope we'll get this one. Please, please, because we got the secret. That's why. Please give me the original version of this little lady here. So let's see. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Yes! I'm so happy to get the original version. Oops. Let me show you this one. Look how beautiful. Wow. Wow. It's just wow. Iba Shino? Shino Iba. Shiba Inu is brown here. And I don't know, I can't remove the plastic protector. Look, it's so nice. A different color, different vibe. I like the details of this one. I like also the color combination of this. This is the original version. This is the special version. I actually like them both. What can you say about this one? I forgot to show you guys the other version of the salute to the, but again, my another half. These two. Which are your favorites with these two? I actually like this blue one. Though I actually like this one too. I'm going to put them out here. And who is your favorite here? The original or the special version? Please comment down below. So guys, this is the complete set of the Molly art line, the anniversary statues classical retro series. And we succeeded to get a secret for the secret hunting version or the secret hunting series of my vlog. And I'm so lucky to, in every part of my secret hunting, I don't know, guys, but I'm just so lucky that every secret hunting that I'm doing, I'm getting one. I don't like to cut the blessing and I don't like to jinx it, but I hope I'll get the secrets in every secret hunting that I'm looking because I want to complete in every series that I have now, which is not completed. So I'm just so happy and I don't regret getting these beautiful figures, guys. Look how beautiful, how detailed, how artistically done. They look like a very nice artwork, very nice art toys. I don't know what to say, but I love them all. Every version of these figures are definitely worth to keep, worth to collect. So I can tell you what are my favorites. Of course, the secret. This one with the crown, the original version of this. I actually like both the silver and the gold. I like the special version, and I like the blue one of this. So, if you have other favorites from what we unboxed for today's vlog, you can comment down below and just show me the list of your favorites. And if you had fun watching my vlog once again, please don't forget to like and share this video. And if you're still not my subscribers, please do subscribe and help me reach the 1,000 subscribers. And don't forget to click the notification bell so that you will be notified on my new and upcoming vlog. Once again, guys, thanks for watching. Bye!